So I just wanted to share this one na almost 2 million views na tayo for a video na Notes to Strangers, which is Acts of Kindness ko na series. And yeah, talagang sobrang na-amaze lang ako kung paano nila na-appreciate yung simple act of kindness natin. And actually guys, no, ginawa ko yung content na yun because literally naman, it's a copy content which is from ibang bansa, and I just wanted to bring here sa Philippines and to spread kindness na rin sa mga Pilipino natin, lalo na sa mga workers natin. So, we're done sa Taguig, which is the BGC, and then we're also done sa pagbibigay ng notes dun sa Marikina City. And my goal is, para matapos ko yung series na yun, is isa-isahin ko bawat city or probinsya dito sa Pilipinas. Ang tanong, kakayanin ba natin yon? Kakayanin ko ba yon? So I am asking guys to keep on supporting me, to keep on following me sa gagawin nating Notes to Strangers. It's a bit challenging for me, pero yeah, kakayanin natin yon. And yeah, guys, spread kindness. Yun lang. So you guys stay tuned for more videos like done, ganun. Bye-bye.